Hello everybody, it's your good friend Jack here, back again with another Wax Daily video. As usual, this video is brought to you by EOS Dublin and Wax School. Today is the 26th of May 2023. We missed the video yesterday, so we're going to cover off what happened yesterday and then a bit on what's happening today. There doesn't seem to be a whole lot this week, but it's all right. There is still plenty to cover. Let's get started. So first, let's take a look at Pixiegon. Pixiegon launched their Pixio comic yesterday, or dropped their Pixio comic yesterday, and that comic basically explains the origin of Pixio. Pixiegon is a virtual world where players join together to create adventure, art, and events. So if you haven't checked this project out already, go over to pixiegon.io, check out the game, and let me know what you think. Up after that, we had a collaboration. Binks TV and Consumer Break had their collaboration yesterday. I don't know a lot about these two different projects. Maybe if the guys from Binks or Consumer Break want to drop me a line below if they see this video, it'd be great to get a chat going. Binks.tv is the website for Binks, and consumerbreak.com, which seems to be a website where you just can play games, or you can play games to win stuff, including NFTs. So again, don't know a whole lot about these two projects, but they did have their collaboration, and that did launch yesterday on Wax. Moving on to Friday, that is today, the 26th of May, 2023. And this is a drop that is probably the 5th or 6th drop this week, coming to you from JRG, who is a rapper. And like I said, they've had a few drops this week. Thinking they're all on Nifty blocks, judging by the way the links are set up on their Twitter account. The drop, you say, hope I'm saying that right. The Irish accent is probably playing up a little bit. But looks like they have their 5th drop of the week. They're also dropping a bronze edition. Maybe that's a bronze edition of an NFT today. Check this one out if it's something that you're interested in over on niftyblocks.com. And last but definitely not least, messed it up towards the end of the video, why don't you, Jack? But last and definitely not least is the chair universe. Something that I think is pretty cool is the artwork for this project. Chair keeps coming up. They're doing drops every week. The V8 chair is up today for sale. I believe there's a huge bid after going in on this, and I can see why. It is really, really cool. Check out thechairuniverse.com if you haven't already. And that's everything from me today. Again, these videos are very quick and are just designed to inform people about what's happening on the Wax blockchain on a daily basis. So thanks to everyone who's liked, shared, commented, viewed the videos. They're not anything without the community. I say that every video, but they really aren't anything without the community. Signing off once again, EOS Dublin and Wax School. Wax on, everyone.